In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as a personal writing assistant to craft and refine a compelling scholarship essay. Let's get started. First, I set the stage by pasting a prompt that defines ChatGPT's role as an expert essay writer, focusing on authenticity and strong personal values. The AI responds by outlining a professional strategy, asking for my specific background and goals to ensure the story feels genuine. Next, I provide my specific details, describing a journey as a first-generation student majoring in environmental science with a focus on water justice. ChatGPT then generates a full draft, using a vivid story about water quality issues in my childhood home to illustrate my dedication to the field. The result is a narrative that explains how my past challenges shaped my academic path and my desire to advocate for underserved communities. To polish the work even further, I ask for a stronger hook and a more impactful conclusion. The AI delivers a revised opening that immediately pulls the reader in with descriptive imagery, and a closing that reinforces my commitment to environmental justice. Finally, I ask ChatGPT to adapt the same personal story for a different prompt about where I see myself in 10 years. The generated response is a powerful, forward-looking essay that envisions me working at the intersection of science and policy to ensure every community has access to clean, safe resources. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.